Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We are going to be touching on the subject of teenage girls wanting to wear makeup and breaking down what a good starter kit of products looks like for them. I've got all of them right here in this handy dandy little bag and we are going to jump right into it. Now, I want to go ahead and say right off the bat that this is not a video saying that I think teen girls need to or should wear makeup. This is only a video for those that are interested in diving into the art of makeup and they just want to know where to start. Now, keep in mind that there is a dramatic difference that shifts when you talk about, say, a 13-year-old girl and then a 16 to 17-year-old and the level of makeup that they can get away with. And today I'm focusing on the most basic of starter kits for the 13-year-old plus girl that is interested in dipping their toes into the water of playing with makeup. We're not going to the prom yet, ladies. And of course, with teens, we should be focused on fresh-faced and naturally enhanced, not overdone, not contoured. That's for another video, that's for another age category and occasion. But skincare is extremely important, and I would suggest that at the most basic to be doing the three most important steps when you are a teenager getting ready to start wearing makeup, and that is first cleansing every night, then of course moisturizing, and yes, even oily skin needs moisture, and then third, definitely applying your SPF protection every single day before you go to school or out in the daylight. So if your teen has developed some skin issues thanks to hormones, I would definitely go seek advice from a dermatologist or licensed esthetician first about that, since those teen years can get a little dicey with the complexions, and you want to make sure that your teen knows exactly what to use and that they're using the right products for their specific skin type. But let's get into the fun stuff. Let's start talking about makeup, and I would first suggest getting a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream for your child. At their age, they do not need a heavy full coverage foundation, just a lightweight moisturizer with a little tint to give them a healthy glow and to even out their complexions is perfect. These can be applied with their fingers or a makeup sponge or even like a buffing foundation brush if they don't like to get their fingers dirty, which personally, I don't. I like to use a brush whenever possible. So just whatever kind of floats their boat when it comes to applying these products. Recommendations I have, I like L'Oreal Skin Paradise Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 19. And for oilier skin types, Maybelline makes one called Maybelline Dream Pure BB Cream that has salicylic acid in it, and it's great and has been around for years. So that's our first product. Next, I would move on to a lightweight concealer. Now, these are great for spot covering any blemishes or acne, and if they do struggle with hereditary dark circles, it's a great product to help just brighten those under eye beds, and they can use their ring finger or their middle finger to dab just a little on it. Is fine, and for smaller areas like a blemish, you can use a Q-tip to just apply it exactly where that zit pops up, and that's actually perfect. Recommendations I like for concealers for young girls would be the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Radiant Cream Concealer, and also the Maybelline Fit Me concealers are great as a first entrance into concealing. Now, if your teen is super oily and gets very shiny, a pressed or loose powder could also be beneficial to hit the center points of the face where we tend to get excess oil, and it shows up, and to also tap on top of the concealed blemishes that they have that will hold that concealer in place. So a loose powder is really nice for that. Now let's move on to blush. Blush can be so pretty on teen girls and should really just mimic the color that happens when you pinch the skin of your cheeks. And I prefer a cream blush. It's kind of a goof-proof product for them and looks like a realistic flush on the face of color and isn't too powdery or caked on looking, and they sink into the skin really, really nicely. Products that I love for teens, I would say the Morphe Wonder Tint cheek and lip tint mousses are really, really pretty, and Glossier's cloud paints for their ease of use, and they come in beautiful soft color choices as well. Now let's get into eye makeup. So I would say go real basic here. I would just swipe on a brown or black mascara is really good enough. And I would only buy drugstore mascara for teens. That's kind of my favorite anyway for adults and teens. You've got so many options out there. Just try a couple. But if they are wanting to go a step further, I would use a single powder highlighter, like my favorite cheap one that y'all, if you followed my videos for a while, you know I love the Wet n Wild one. The Mega Glow highlighting powder is fine. You can just tap a little bit of that into the center of the eyelid for a subtle shimmer, and we know that teens love a good glow. I have found out, so this is really pretty. You can use it just in the middle of the eyelid, or you could even tap it on top of the cheeks. Now my final step would be a light lip gloss. There's zero need for a teen girl to wear lip liner or even a lipstick, in my opinion. So my favorite glosses, hands down, for teens, and again, even adults, are the affordable NYX Butter Glosses. They won't break the bank. They come in at like $5 each, and they have so many fun and neutral shades for girls to choose from. A few of my go-to nude shades for teens would be like Creme Brulee and Tiramisu. And then for more medium to dark skin tones, I would say Praline and Rocky Road are really, really great for them. That is it for what my teen starter kit of makeup would look like. This is around a total of around 7 products to start off with. You would go BB cream or tinted moisturizer, a concealer, a loose powder, blush, mascara, maybe a highlighter that doubles as an eyeshadow, and then a really pretty lip gloss. So I hope you have found this video helpful if you or your teen is interested in getting into the world of makeup. And if you did, you know the drill. Please give this video a quick thumbs up and like it, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really, really appreciate it. And if you're interested in any of these products that I discussed on today's video, I will list them in the link in the description box below this video for you to go check out. And thanks again for watching, y'all. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.